Hey, I'm Jason. Welcome back to our channel. If you're an elder law or estate planning attorney aiming to enhance your practice this year, you're in exactly the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 marketing trends that can truly transform how you connect with clients in your practice. Let's get into it. First up, let's talk about hyper-localized SEO. As more people search online for local services, ensuring your firm pops up first is crucial. Optimize your Google business profile, sprinkle in local keywords, and gather those glowing 5-star reviews to climb up in local search results. And with voice search on the rise, it's key to optimize for phrases like near me and common questions potential clients might ask. Next up, video marketing. Embrace the power of both short and long-form content to engage potential clients effectively. Use short-form videos like YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels to provide quick and digestible legal tips. For deeper insights, longer videos on YouTube or recorded webinars can help establish trust and showcase your expertise. Remember, consistency is crucial. It keeps your audience engaged and reinforces your reputation as a go-to expert. And finally, let's discuss automated lead nurturing. For busy attorneys, time is a precious commodity, and manual follow-ups just aren't practical. Employ AI-powered tools for email sequences, text reminders, and chatbots to maintain consistent communication with potential clients. Automating your follow-up process ensures every inquiry is handled efficiently. An AI-driven chat can help pre-qualify leads, streamlining your intake process. We've been in the game for a long time, and we know what makes a difference in marketing. If you're ready to try these up-to-date strategies that truly work, why not give us a shout? We love to help you make your marketing as effective as possible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Also, consider subscribing to our newsletter for subscriber-only offers, tips, and insider information delivered right to your inbox. Have questions or want to chat about how these strategies can work for you? Just drop a comment below or schedule a call with us at bambiz.net today. Remember, we're here to help you shine. See you next time.